you're here. You made it. Maraming salamat and we are very excited to have you tonight. Sino ang ready na magkaroon ng bagong pakikinggan na girl group song? Okay, so nandito yung isang group. Nandito ang mga dilawan sa ating show tonight. Nakita niyo na ba ata ang mga pictures, di ba? So, very excited to see that. Sino dito ang first time sa aming viewing party? Sino? Ayan, kaunti na lang sila, dumadami na po ang mga downline namin, no? Yes, ang aming mga suke, balakbakan! Congrats, may panggastos pa kayo, di ba? Very good. Pero palakpakan naman natin ang ating venue tonight. Apotheka is here. They've been our home for the past year and we are entering our second year with them. And of course, palakpakan natin ang Absolute Vodka. Diyos ko! Di ba meron ba dito nanonood or nakikinig sa aming video podcast? Yeah, and actually, just ngayon lang kaka-release lang namin yung mix ng bago naming podcast show that's not Drag Race related. So kung hindi pa kayo nagsasawa sa boses namin, pakinggan niyo po ang aming bagong podcast show within Bekenemen, which we are calling Hanash. It is short for Hoy, anong sinasabi mo? Okay, so pakinggan niyo po. At ang aming episode 1 is about healing the inner child. So yan, dahil nga binansagan yung guidance counselor si Mitch Chanel, hindi pinakatawanan na namin yun. Diba? And then, so tonight, nandito rin ang Cream Silk to support us. Palakpakan natin. Nakita ba natin ang pasabog ni Marina Summers to Friday? Diba? Grabe naman, isipin nyo ang dami ng sumusuporta sa kabaklaan, diba? Pero babalik lang tayo sa ating mga sponsors. So tonight, because Absolute is here, actually, meron tayong free drinks for everyone later. Palakpakan. So what's going to happen is after the episode, during the Q&A, mamimigay kami ng drinks because we're all gonna do a toast for the group challenge, okay? So, if you wanna drink, pwede rin kayong mag-decline. Walang pilitan to. Kung feeling nyo, kung na mo yung katabi nyo, ibigay nyo sa kanya after. Diba? And then, on your way out, meron din tayong free samples from Absolute. Okay, palakpakan natin. Ang sarap mo yun, but also, we must drink very, very responsibly. Okay, so handa na ba tayong simulan ng ating mga kabaklaan for tonight? Okay, ilabas na natin ang other half ng Bekenemen. Meron ba dito mga mahilig sa calculator? Ha? Meron ba? Meron ba dito mga Unipoda defenders? Ha? Ayan, so I think kilala niya naman kung sino to. Please welcome my co-founder, co-host, and she is now a room girl. Please welcome to the stage, Mix Chanel! Yes, palakpakan natin ang ating kusinera, si Mitch Chanel. At I think, palakpakan niyo naman dahil siya ang nalala ng Rubach last week.
May maliit na bagay.
Diba? Ito talaga, pag 80,000 pesos richer, nakaka-afford ka na ng t-shirt, diba?
I know, ang ganda-ganda ng t-shirt, diba?
Oh, ayan.
Of course, all my merch and the merch of the queens are available there in our merch booth. Pero, pahingi na muna ng isang malakas na sigawan! Excited na ba kayo for episode 3? Yes! Scene!
So, may isang patikim. Ano kaya expect namin sa episode 3?
Dapat pa ka!
Okay, yun ba? Hintayin lang natin. So avoid muna kayo ng spoilers, okay?
Ang mga phones, i-DND muna. Kasi I'm sure may mga notifications na tumutunog na mga group chat, nagwawala.
Correct. So, I think let's start the show.
Yes, of course. So again, we curated a very lovely act of local girls that you should be watching out for. And since we're not strangers to nepotism, so of course we wanted to bring back for this season of viewing parties, please welcome to the stage my drag daughter, Regina Gorge!
It's out with the old, in with the new. Goodbye clouds of gray, hello skies of blue. I dip in the pool, I trip to the spa. Endless days in my shades, the whole world according to moi. Excuse me. Thank you. Iced tea imported from England. Lifeguards imported from Spain. Towels imported from Turkey. And Turkey imported from Maine. We're gonna relax and make new. You go do. I want fabulous, that is my simple request. Always fabulous, bigger and better in this. I need something inspiring to hold me good or bold. I need a little fabulous, is that so wrong? Catch me in my Jimmy Choo flip-flops. Where is my pink Prada tote? I need my Tiffany hairband. And then I can go for a low. Someone like never before. I want more. She wants fabulous, fabulous, bigger and better in this. She needs something inspiring to help her get along. She needs a little fabulous, is that so wrong? Fabulous mood, yeah, fabulous flash. Fabulous parties, even fabulous flash. Fabulous stars, so fabulous things. She's gotta have fabulous everything. Nothing to discuss. Everything's got to be perfect for me. She wants fabulous,
Ano naman si Regina Gorge?
Yes, talaga nga naman. Mga blonde talaga kayo sa pangin. Sino ang tatay niya? Kilala mo ba?
Hindi pa eh.
Ay, okay.
Hindi ko alam yung tatay niya, pero may nag-a-apply.
Ay, okay, yes, Regina. Invite everyone. Alam ko may upcoming big show. Invite mo ang ating audience tonight.
Plastic.
Kaya, ano
Water.
Hinihingal siya. Okay. Sige, isa pa.
Sorry, face card lang yung napamana ko.
So, ano po? Yes.
Yes.
I-invite ko po kayong lahat manood sa Cream Nightclub.
Ay, birthday niya.
Ako na birthday show.
Happy birthday, Regina!
Yes, nag-birthday po ako ngayong last August 14 din. Celebrate po ako ngayon. August 24. So, pumunta po kayo lahat!
Yay! Malakpakan si Regina Gorge! At get your tips, my love. Kailangan niya po yan.
Yes, so this Saturday at Crib Nightclub, Regina will be celebrating her birthday
Bigyan po
show
natin ang
at
ating
Crib
TV.
Plus Nightclub, and I will be there. I will be doing a number, you know, as a supportive mother.
Correct. Ito po ang kanyang QR. I-scan po natin at mag-donate tayo ng 20,000 pesos. Okay? Yes. So, ito nga ang ating inaugurate na show featuring some of the country's most promising talent.
Correct. Mga dapat yung abangan. I mean, if you're a fan of Drag Race, maybe abangan nyo sila on a future season.
Correct. So, So ayan, maraming salamat. Palakpakan po ito ba? Palakpakan po ulit natin si Regina. Meron ba ng dear? Ayan. Ayan, bilisan daw.
Calculating din siya.
Calculated din siya. Okay. Alis na. Maraming salamat, Regina Gorge. Okay, ang ating sunod na performer, ano ang latest credentials nitong ating next performer?
Siya lang naman ang latest winner ng Drag Cartel sa Nectar. And will be competing at Drag Cartel All-Star Season 6 na ba? Season 6 na. And I believe that this is about to be one of the Philippines' next drag sensations.
Please welcome, making their debut, the one and only, Exa Extra! kaaway na gusto mong i-threaten ngayon, sino?
Yeah. Hi everyone! I'm Edsa Extra, your traffic queen. Mga putang ina yung lahat. Hello po, thank you so much for having me. Oh. Thank you.
Palabang natin si Edsa Extra, and more importantly, Tip, this superstar of a queen. Punta ka dito sa show namin. Pumunta ko sila.
Nakakahiya.
Ayan. Ito rin po ang kanyang QR. At ang mga ginagawa natin yun, let me know lang na meron tayong absolute cocktails option. Meron tayong vodka hito. Meron tayong vodka cranberry. Fluffy pineapple and
of course, ang
absolute vodka 700 ml. So,
I love this drink.
so kung gusto nyo ng 700 ml and you feel like sharing, yun lang. Ayan, ito ang QR ni Edsa
Yes,
Extra.
ang QR code ni
And
Edsa
we
Extra.
love that camp performance, right?
And if na-recognize yung pink na aso, yan po ang dala niya sa red carpet ng Global All-Stars. Lahat kami mga bakla, ganap na ganap. Si bakla dumating naka-pink
Naka-towel.
at may dalawang cart ng mga shampoo niya.
Kaya po siya
Pag manicure set.
reveals dahil alam niyang nandito ang cream silk client. So, so may kailangan cream silk, no? Okay, maraming salamat. Walang pangalan. Sa Extra, everyone.
Abangan niyo siya sa kanyang pag-compete sa Drag Cartel All-Star Season 6 at the end of the year, if I'm not mistaken, at Nectar Nightclub.
Correct. Ang ating sunod na performer ay talaga nga namang team player dahil nga alam natin na may sakit pa rin at nagpapahinga.
Yes, ang Filipina Diva
Filipina Diva
is currently recovering.
It's currently recovering. Papahinga siya na, but who knows, baka bigla siya lumabas later at nanood, di ba? You don't know.
Not tayo sure kung kailan siya uling susulpot.
Correct, hindi tayo sure. Pero for
Basta
now,
alam namin may utang siya sa amin.
correct. Pero ito nga, ang kanyang talaga nga naman taking over our head. Taking over the headlining spot ng aming first set from Drag Race Philippines Season 2. Please welcome Arizona Brandy!
Natin couture.
Tasty.
Game!
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on a tree, and you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, ocean gold. Butterflies are having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace when the day is done, that's what I mean. And this whole world is a new world, and I'll blow the world for me.
Sobra!
Malinamnam!
Yes!
Malasa!
Ganon. Correct. Hi, Arizona. Masasira. How are you?
Hi, I'm doing good. Hi, how are you?
Okay.
Ay, hindi, na-miss ko yung Apoteka, as in, sobra. And nakita ko yung mga familiar faces, palakpakan yung mga sarili nyo. Nakita ko rin yung mga unfamiliar faces. Palakpakan niyo yung sarili nyo. Palakpakan niyo yung sarili nyo!
Thank you so much, Arizona, for stepping in tonight. Palakpakan niyo si Arizona. Bigyan siya ng pera. Bigyan siya ng pera. Bigyan siya ng pera.
Maghihingi na ba ako ng
Ngayon na. Go. Yan.
And of course, nandito pa rin ang QR code ni Arizona branding up on our screen.
Correct. Okay, ayan.
Di ba sinuot mo sa Dragon Sis, no? Ito ba? Ito ba yun? Ay, hindi.
Ayan, oo. Sige,
Joke
wala.
lang.
Yung gold.
Ay, mang hold up ka, kailangan ba? Alam mo na ito, kabisado mo na yan. Bigay ng QR. Kung natanggap nyo na ang 13th month nyo for the year, ilagay nyo po dito
Sana
lahat.
kami 13th month ng August.
Okay? Then again, reminding everyone that later, after the Q&A, we are going to do a toast courtesy of Absolute. So mamaya po merong staff ng Apoteka, ng Bekenemen, and ng Absolute na mamimigay ng drinks. And we are going to do a toast for the Girl Group Challenge. Okay? Ayan. 1,000? Ay, wow.
Grabe yung hold up ni
Grabe,
Arizona.
oh. Grabe,
Sana
oh.
mamaya may matira pa, ha?
Correct, ha? Yes. So, by the way, ang tickets po to our episode 4 viewing are already available. Palakpakan po rin natin Arizona Brandy!
And of course, next week from our alumni cast,
We will be having Miss Jade So as part of the cast next week.
So kung na-miss niyo po ang mga katawan ni Miss Jade, she will be here next Wednesday.
Correct. So, tawagin na natin muna ang Season 3 girls as they make their way to the couch. Are we ready?
Ready?
Nasa na ang the rest of Team Dilawan? Nasa na po sila?
Hala, spoiler!
Please welcome ang unang bababa. Sino kaya ito?
Sino to masarap at malinamnam na to? Sino yung masarap at malinamnam? Siyempre ang ating Tita Baby!
Yes!
Looking very mayaman, but still, perang-pera.
Correct. Kung napanood niyo po ang kanyang guesting sa aming podcast, umiyak po siya.
Yes!
Umiyak siya.
Related na promo.
Yes! Up next, who do we have? Sino ang next Dilawan?
Siyempre, ang pinakamataas ang energy sa aming lahat. Please welcome, Beauty Pota! O, diba nonchalant lang?
Correct.
O, diba nonchalant lang?
Ganyan lang.
Very that,
Very demure.
very much. It's very cutesy.
Correct.
Very professional.
Bagong gising lang siya.
Makapag-charge ka ba today, sis? Para 15% lang.
Okay, up next, who do we have? Let us welcome to the
Silip ka
couch.
naman, team.
Silip ka naman, team. Please,
Hala! Oh, loko!
please welcome Sean Fedeliaga. Oh. Grabe, oh.
Babaeng lupa number 1.
Babae ba? Oh.
Baby girl ka dyan na.
Baby girl.
Ganda.
Hi ka naman sa kanila. Ikaw yung birthday celebrant. And of course, last but not the least, ang fan favorite,
Ang iPad kid, Jay Quinn. Yoko, iPad kid.
gusto ko yung may mga pang-cover kayo. I wonder what's underneath.
Oh my God!
Diba?
Ano kaya yung suot sa ilalim?
Hindi halata. Okay, at ito, i-play na natin ang episode. But before that, with Ubukali, we would just like to acknowledge the presence of a very special guest as she makes her way to the stool and watches it. Please welcome, mag-hi lang siya sa inyo. Please welcome Marina Summers is here. Ay, sabi na natin ito.
Isa naman get well soon, Marina dyan. 1, 2, 3!
Get well
ito. May baka nagkasakit, pahinga malupit, tapos bawas pa ulit.
Okay, so kaya siya may bouncer dyan kasi bawal magpa-picture, okay? So yan, hayaan nyo siya na magpahinga and she will enjoy the girl group challenge. So, handa na ba tayo for episode 3, ha? Alright, here we fucking go! Drag Race Philippines Season 3, Episode 3.
Nawala!
Dapat pa. Rewind daw, rewind. Go. Okay, thoughts?
So alam niyo na. Alam niyo na ang bottom, no?
Nakakaloka, ang hirap pa sa'yo ng mga to.
Ganda ko din ah.
Totoo!
So, kaya mo today? Ayan. Okay, let's go. Audio check. Back to seconds. Palawdan ko, naubos ko yung FB10. Ayun, yan talaga pag live, yun talaga pag nakasubscribe at hindi na-download. At least sure tayo hindi galing Telegram. Kaya na talaga. Back to seconds daw. Ayan, okay. Kaya na, promise. Ito na talaga yun. Kaya na today.
Dapat baka now available on music platforms everywhere. Move over, service.
May preview pa. Patingin mo ng preview niya. Ngayon na nga lang bumili sa internet eh. Okay, hinga muna tayo. Maraming emotions. First of all, thank you guys for being so patient with us with the internet connection. It is a live show, so palakpak tayo. Thank you. And, okay, so siguro ito ang cue for the Absolute team and the Apoteka team to start distributing the drinks slowly but surely. So mag-Q&A muna tayo para lang kumalma. Sino medyo naiyak at kinabahan? Ito may umiyak dito. Kamusta ka, sis? Bakit ka umiiyak? Feel mo lang, no? Sino nakakarinig kay natin naiiyak sa trabaho? Ilabas mo pa, manawagan ka sa boss mo.
Baka naman.
Alright, okay, so everybody's getting ready. So siguro punta muna tayo sa nagpatent sa atin. She just slayed the lip sync and is lip sync. He's got the Michelle. Okay, first of all, oh my God, oh my God! Pero palakpakan natin ang utong niya may pasties, right? But, you know, first of all, grabbing fall from grace lang yung edit, no? I mean, let's call it what it is, right? Like you won last week, you were riding high, and then booch, uga, lip sync for your life. But while you were watching yourself give the fight of your life, like what was going through your emotions?
I guess what wasn't shown is, and what hasn't been shown the past few episodes, at that point, me and Versex were very close. Yung seating arrangement namin sa workroom, ako yung pinakadulo, next is J. Quinn, and then si Versex. Tapos parang meron kaming tatlo, meron kami parang sariling ADHD bubble world in that corner. Tapos kami talaga yung nagiging close at that point. And when it was announced I had to lip sync against her, kung ano yung feelings ni Tita Baby last week of parang, do I give this? Do I break someone else's heart or do I break my own heart? And it was very, parang that was really the mood of the moment. Pero alam ko kasi, and you know, like in the off-camera conversation, sa pag-uusapan namin ni Versex na, parehas namin yung favorite yung Miss Manila from the lineup. And sinabi ko lang talaga sa kanya na parang, I have to give a performance worthy of our Versex and Miss Chanel lip sync battle. And ayun, it's hard to watch. Parang, grabe, sabi nila, okay, bigyan lang, Drag Race Superfan ka, go! Drag Race experience from top to bottom, real quick, gano'n. But yeah, it was hard to watch me having to send my sister home and me being the first person to send someone home with the competition. It was tough. It was really tough.
But you know, we're so proud of the performance that Mix gave. Dahil I am biased, of course, feeling ko hindi naman bottom worthy yun. But you know, gano'n talaga. But palakpakan natin si Mix Chanel. Magbabalik siya next week. Tingnan natin kung ano ang mangyayari sa hosting challenge. Okay.
Si Karen!
Okay. Sige, chill muna tayo. Dito naman tayo kay J. Quinn na in-encourage pagpakita ng burat si Mix during the lip sync. Okay. So, you know, let's just call it what it is. I think the edit showed na you and Mix were kind of slowly developing into somewhat a villainous duo based on the edit. Kamusta ka ngayon having seen the episode?
From the start naman talaga, duo na kami pagpasok. Ano lang, kasi ganun talaga kami magsalita ni Mix. Hindi siya villainous. Like ano lang siya, random words na lumalabas sa amin lagi. Huwag nyo lang talaga makita yung mga ano namin, yung mga personal chats namin kasi mas malayo. Diba?
Gago ki!
Okay, and then any regrets during the lip sync performance? Because it looked like, you know, during the recording, parang, you know, you were confident. Si yung guest judge said na parang actually may mga hindi siya ginawa, sayang. Any regrets during that particular performance?
I don't have any regrets with the writing and how I managed the group. Kasi I'm very confident with my writing skills. Hindi ako confident sa magiging choreographer. Pero sobrang masaya ako sa napakita kong verse. Tsaka sa mga natulong ko rin na input with the girls. Ang nag-iisang regret ko lang, huwag kayo magpapalit fillers. Tsaka magpapabotox bago kayo pumasok na sa mga drag queen dyan na papasok na, huwag kayo magpapabotox malapit sa labi. Kasi kung labi yung botox na natin. Hindi dapat bottom mo, hindi ako nagpabotox.
Okay, malampakan natin si Jayquin. Maraming salamat. Punta naman tayo dito kay, sorry, can I get the mic? Kay Yudi. Malampakan si Yudi. So, marami kang very funny confessionals. Especially yung tipong dapat ganda-ganda lang tayo, di ba? So, I guess, nung magpa-perform na kayo before the girl group, kamusta yung confidence level mo in terms of how your group was going to perform and what you individually could deliver to the challenge?
Yes, I think perfect yung group ko. Girl, if I was put sa kanila ni Maxi, Bern, ano gagawin ko bang lang? Space the wall ka lang. Perfect ako. Ito yung thoughts ko nung pumipili si Kiana. Sabi ko, please, Lord, make Kiana, like, choose someone else. Huwag ako, please. Diyos ko bakla, hindi talaga energy, same level. Baka sabi ko, thank you so much. Na nandito ako sa group na yellow. Thank you, Lord. My God. I was like shaking the house down, Busi. You all don't know. Ayun.
Yeah, so speaking of yung group dynamics, so obviously, we were shown na parang one group was definitely far superior, pero anything we did see in the edit in terms of yung, kamusta yung camaraderie ninyo as a group? Ano yung naging chemistry nyo while preparing for the performance?
Yes, the chemistry was great. I would like to thank Mix, J Queen, Tita Baby for helping me with my lyrics. Kasi parang narata. I mean, si John, so paano siya? Emotional support. Emotional support. So, pero totoo yan. Si John yung emotional support ko lagi sa ano, sabi mo bakla. Hindi ko lang kaya bakla. John, go. Miss Chanel, J Queen, Tita Baby, thank you so much. Y'all didn't leave the group, and I don't think y'all outshined us. Di lang ako marunong sumayaw, pero okay, game ko. Basta ginawa namin, did that. Kaya, basta I was like, Lord, safe lang, please. Not this time. I'm not gonna bottom this time, girl. Maybe tonight, but not this time. I mean,
But yes, it's nice that we still, you share with us na, it was still great group dynamics. So, and thank you for that. Malapak natin si Yuri Pota.
Thank you, guys.
Up next, ang Nicole Scherzinger ng grupo. Diba? Give namin. Give namin.
Bakit?
Great team yun eh! Hello? Kasi nga, habang nagdadasal siya, di ba? Huwag siyang piliin. Ako naman, piliin mo si Yuti. Papili mo kay Kiana si Yuti.
Bakit? Bakit gusto piliin ni Kiana si Yuti?
Joke lang din. I was very happy with my team.
Yes. So yun ba, anything you want to share with us in terms of how the group gelled together? Ano yung mga alam nyo, okay, dahil hindi naman tayo yung dancers, ito yung mga panghawakan natin na strengths, if ever.
You know, actually, when we sat down, di ba meron naman kami table talk dun eh, ang chemistry namin was really nice. Ang ganda ng chemistry namin. Ako, personally, I didn't feel like J Queen or Mix parang dominated the scene or tried to put their spotlight on themselves, di ba? Hindi naman nila kami ginawang backup dancers. In fairness, it was an equal footing for everybody. Ginawa nila yun. And I'd like to thank the both of you for choosing me, charot. Wala namang choice eh. Yun, so yeah, it was a very good and memorable experience for, I hope, the five of us.
Correct. So palabahan si Tita Baby, di ba? Talaga naman!
Team Lasartan!
Thank you, Tita Baby. Okay, nandito na tayo! My God, finally! Sino dito had her as their winner for the week? Finally, may boses na sa episode. Palakpakan natin, John Fedeliaga!
Hello po, giving you that smile. Thank you so much for the support.
Okay, so mga dyan, kamusta? I mean, di ba 2 linggo ka ng safe? Tapos, syempre, alam mo na agad kayo sa akin sa Girl Group Challenge. So, I guess, how excited were you to see tonight's episode and have everybody just experience it?
I was so excited, and not only because of what we got going namin, but because of the whole group. And I'm like, I know this is fucking dope. This song is dope. But yeah, I'm just so excited na marinis din siya, and yeah, salamat po.
So feeling mo, nung natawag na, nung narinig yung critiques ng Kiana and Maxi were receiving great critiques, kamusta yung assessment mong feeling mo? Mananalo ka? Or kamusta yun?
Parang hindi naman. And then, kabado ko yung nadaling ako kaya. Ginaling ko kaya this time. And I'm always aiming na alam mo, kitikman lang ako.
Correct.
But this time I'm like, okay tayo.
Yes, nasa top placement si Mama John. And then yung runway ni John Fedeliaga.
Girl! Sobrang as in, in the room, lahat kami nababaliw dun sa backstage pala nababaliw na kami dun sa umiikot na Ferris wheel. Which, by the way, can we just commend?
Grabe, grabe. Parang baka...
Andre, guys, thank
you so much.
Yes, great. Of course.
Yes. Hello. So, kamusta nung pinaandar mo na yung paandar ng outfit? Naalala mo ba yung reaction ng judges? Kwento mo naman sa amin.
Actually, tumayo sila lahat.
Oh!
Tsaka yung mga manika dun sa Ferris wheel. Kami talaga yun. So, mabanglat yun. Kung sino matanggal, siya matanggal that time.
Pinaikot
mo ko. Ganun din naman talaga bagaya.
But yes, palakpakan natin. My God, we're excited to see how everything unfolds. Palakpakan natin, John Federiaga. And then, everybody hold on to your drinks because we have got a surprise performance for everyone. Sige, mag-toast na lang muna tayo.
Toast muna.
Everybody. Everybody say, absolute. Absolutely. Cheers, guys. Congratulations to the five of these queens for making it another episode. And maraming salamat, Absolute, for your free drinks. Ayan. And again, remember, on your way out, we also have free samples from Absolute. We have small bottles for you to keep in case kailangan nyo ng liquid courage. Next time, you need liquid courage. So, okay, parang pagdali natin si Absolute, okay? At eto na nga, meron tayong some special performance. Sana mag-cooperate ang ating internet dahil wala pa sa Spotify ang song.
Hindi na wala pa Spotify ang song, pagbigyan nyo na, hindi namin ito na-rehearse ha.
So please mix! Dahil ikaw naman ang leader apparently based sa Ellen. Please introduce your group!
Ladies and gentlemen, ang pinakamatigas at pinakapaka, ang Hard Bakaker!
Everyone!
Ang sabi na namin, gift namin sa kabilang group, kanila na yun.
Kung may dapat baka, pero hindi dapat nag-rehearse. Yes!
I mean, we didn't have the song.
Palakpakan na rin natin, guys! They make it through another episode. John Federiaga, Unipoda, Jay Quinn, Mick Chanel, and your Tita Baby! Okay, so we are going to take a quick break and maybe play on top. We're just going to figure things out, but they are going to get changed to prepare for their performances. So for now, konting house music muna as we figure out if we can play on top or not. Thank you! Episode 3.
For you to lip sync.
Yes.
For your life.
Basta natin yung episode. Okay, pagin ako ng house lights. We're ready. We're gonna get the show started.
Shantae is
Siguro pwede natin i-pause yung episode. Okay. Pinulit ako? Sige, ayan. Wala pa ka natin on top episode 3, everyone. Okay, so before we move on sa ating drag performances, of course, a very quick word from our sponsor, Cream Silk. Sino dito ang sumabog sa kabaklaan nung nakita nila yung commercial ni Marina? Paano, ano ang mga na-experience mo metaphysical sensations nung nakita mo yung Cream Silk nung Friday?
Powerful po.
Opo. Hindi ba?
Powerful kasi siya yung first na drag queen, person na mag-represent sa music.
Sa Cream Silk, di ba? Yeah. So, pero di ba? Kasi alam niyo ba, ginagamit ng mga drag queens sa Cream Silk for wig care. Kaya nga, you've seen the main video, but Marina also has a special solo video that basically talks about her experience with Cream Silk. So let's play that video in case you haven't seen it yet. Let's play it! I'm a Filipino.
I'm Marina Summers, and this is my pursuit of perfection. I feel like perfection is something something that you do not achieve overnight. To be able to achieve that level of perfection, I still go to the studio and rehearse. I still go to my fittings and perfect every single detail. I still also take care of myself internally. That keeps me motivated. That keeps me striving for better. And after a very long day in full drag, I like to take a deep and hot shower. And that's where the Cream Silk Triple Keratin Serum Conditioner comes in handy. It helps me revive my hair, strengthen my hair, prevents hair fall. For my human hair wigs and my human hair extensions, I like to use a conditioner that keeps it strong, just like my performance. Being a Cream Silk woman means that I am being celebrated for who I am as a Filipino woman, as a Filipino diva, as a Filipino drag queen. And that means that I am seen, I am heard as a world-class phenomenon. And that's on period.
And that is on period. Palakpakan natin ang Cream Silk. So ang bagong Cream Silk, the new Triple Keratin Serum Conditioner, actually has 30 times keratin serum for ultimately perfect straight hair. So kung tayo mga bading hindi kaya maging straight, kaya natin maging conditioning with perfectly straight hair. Something like that. Palakpakan natin ang Cream Silk. Sila ay susuportahan kanila ang aming mga viewing parties for the next few weeks. But letting you know lang na sobrang photo finish yung pag-shoot no campaign ni Marina. So nasa DragCon kami noon. DragCon Day 2 ended at 5 p.m. And then she was on a flight to Manila by 10 p.m. to shoot it, magsabog ng Kabaklaan. And she was in town for 36 hours lang. Ganda-ganda. And then lipad ulit for the tour. Ganon, di ba? Kaya naman kaya napagod ang ating Filipino. But she's been touring for the last 6 months. So pag-amakan naman natin si Marina Summers na umuwi na ngayon. Dahil sabi ko na, magpahinga ka na, go to bed. Okay, so, eto na tayo. Simulan na natin ang ating mga drag performances. Are we ready? Yeah! Apotheca, are we ready for some sickening drag performances? Alright, up first is one of our Becky and Mitsukis. Actually, anak siya na nag-iisang Precious Bola Nicole. Love na love namin siya. Please welcome opening our second set is Kifi!
Now it's 2003. My first solo album. There would definitely not be a Beyonce without Destiny's Child. I love my girls. You would think after all of the success we had, I would have proven myself, right? Wrong. There were more challenges. I put my heart and my soul into writing my first album, Dangerously in Love. And after playing the songs for my record label, they told me
my love. And more importantly, get your coins. Bigyan po natin ng pera si Kifi. Yan. Meron pa ba? Gcash po niya. Ayan. Yes. Meron pa sa taas. Mayroon pang hold up. Ayan. Meron pa dito 100. Meron pa ba? Meron pa ba? Ayan. Ito here. Over here. People over here. There's 100 here. Another 100 there. Sa taas. Standing room people. Feel free to take our queens, of course. Palakpakan natin, Kifi. Okay, let's move on sa ating mga girls. Ang ating sunod na performer, siya lang naman ang nagpauwi sa first eliminated queen ng season, and she lives to slay another day. Grabe watching her lip sync, such an exhilarating moment kanina. Naramdaman ko ang inyong thunderous cheers and applause. Please welcome Mix Chanel.
I guess it's funny you're from where you're standing, 'cause from over here I miss the joke. Clear the way for my crash landing. I've done it again. Another number for your nose. I'd be smiling if I wasn't so desperate. I'd be patient if I had the time. I could stop and answer all of your questions as soon as I find out how I can move from the back of a line. I'll be your clown behind the glass. Go ahead and laugh, 'cause it's fun. I would too if I saw. I'll be your clown on your favorite channel. My life's a circus, circus, round in circles, setting out tonight. I'd be less angry if it was my decision, and the money was just rolling in. If I had more than my ambition, I'd have time for please, I'd have time for thank you as soon as I win. I'll be your clown behind the glass. Go ahead and laugh, 'cause it's fun. I would too if I saw. I'll be your clown on your favorite channel. My life's a circus, circus, round in circles, setting out tonight. From a distance, my choice is simple. From a distance, I can entertain. So you can see me, I put makeup on my face, but there's no way you can feel it from so far away. I'll be your clown behind the glass. Go ahead and laugh, 'cause it's fun. I want to. If I saw me, I'll be your clown on your favorite channel. My life's a circus, circus, round in circles. I'm setting out tonight.
Let's give it up for Mix Chanel, everyone! Ay, naiyak din ako doon. Sorry po. Ganun po talaga. Palakpakan natin si Mix Chanel. I mean, you know, they're pouring their hearts on the show, but I'm hoping, you know, you push through, but very, very quickly lang, just take us through the emotions right now.
I mean, yun talagang buhay, circle of life. Sometimes you're on top, sometimes you find yourself in the bottom. But when that happens, the only thing that you can confirm is versatile ka, congrats.
Yes, palakpakan natin si Mick Chanel. And get your tip. Umiyak siya guys, bigyan siya ng pera. Get your tip. At ito po ang kanyang QR. Yes, palakpakan natin si Mick Chanel. Tip your queen, tip your queen. Yes. Yun. Ayan ang kanyang Perya Couture. Gusto ko na nung nilabas niya yung train, talagang lahat sabay-sabay. Wow! I mean, yun ang tinatawag niya K-Gasp. Okay? Ay, grabe, Braggers. Ayan, sabi nila, super fan ka, sige nga, tingnan natin kung alam mo. Ayan, yan marami pang pera. Marami pang pera. Thank you so much. We are also selling our tickets for next week already. 7 of the queens in the cast are here. Mix, Maxi, Kiana will be back, Yudi, basta pito sila, hindi ko kabisado. But for now, let's move on to our, palapakang ulit natin si Mick Chanel. Let's move on to our next performer. Please welcome ang inyong karinyo brutal na tita Agisa, Tita Baby.
Good evening, everyone. Did you enjoy episode 3? Did you enjoy episode 3?
Yes!
So, you know, there was a part there na parang medyo tugged some strings, you know, personal strings. One of the good friends that I've gathered from doing this season is actually John Fideliaga. So when I was watching it kanina and nagbubukas siya ng story niya, mind you, we are all watching it together for the first time. So na-heartbroken ako for John, for what happened to him during kanyang childhood. And I'm thinking, have you ever been in a situation where you felt so helpless, so alone in the dark, and wala kang mapuntahan? I'm sure there are different spectrum here, light, the middle, but you can shine a little bit extreme. So I'd like to dedicate this, John, nasaan ka? Nasaan ka mga John? I'd like to sing this song for one of my good friends in Drag Race Season 2, si John Fideliaga. And I guess for those who can relate to a certain situation in your life that you're alone in. So this is for you. I hope you enjoy it.
When the rain is
Palakpakan natin si Tita Baby. Kung hindi siya palakpakan, buhusan niyo siya ng pera. Okay. Go, walk sa aisle and collect your coin, Miss Ma'am. May dala ng kanyang QR, nakalapit dito. Okay.
Nakahanda ako, no?
Ganon, wala ka wala. Yung iba kasi ata kunyari sinascan lang, no? Pero patay na pala yung phone nila.
Huwag mo akong i-add sa Tinder.
So, ayan, thank you so much sa ating sige, kita bibigyan lang your coins. Salamat sa Absolute, again, for sponsoring our show tonight. And of course, Cream Silk, kami po ay magpapalog next week. At ito na po ang lineup for next week. We have John Vidaliaga, Kinyana, Maxi, Mix Chanel, Versex is going to be here. Unipota, Zip Bading, and Miss Jane Solo. So yes, pag-book na po kayo ngayon, beckinemet.felixpay.ph. But yes, 7 out of the 11 queens in the cast are going to be on our show next Wednesday for episode 4, Hosting Challenge featuring Mom Shirelay. Okay? Diba? Gusto kayo sinasaka ni Tita Baby? Oh, yun. Unfortunately, wala si Tita Baby dito next week. Sayang. Ayan, sayang. Pero let's see. Diba? Who knows? Baka nandito siya sa apoteka ng hindi viewing party. Palakpakan natin Tita Baby, everyone! Can you get your mic? Thank you. QR code kung basa. Magpasahan pa natin. Okay, let us welcome our next performer. Saan siya manggagaling? Let me check. Okay, let's clear lang the stairs for our next performer. Please welcome Jay Quinn!
Baby
tayo dyan, o, di ba? Libreng pa-bear from J. Gwen. For the bear community. Alright, my love, you know what to do here? Go get your coin. And then, ito po ang kanyang QR code. Diba? Ilan, Diyos ko, how many bears had to die for this outfit? Diba? Diba? Sino yung mahilig sa bears? Wala. Wow, this is a very superficial crowd tonight. Okay. Tip your queens. Ayan siya. Hindi mo si fan favorite. Correct. Fan favorite yan, di ba? Walang kabahit-bahit ng ng kung ano man. Walang hate, walang natatanggap na hate, all kindness ang matatanggap niya online. Very demure, di ba? Very demure, very cute. Ganyan talaga kapag na-issuehan ng good moral character ng guidance counselor, okay? Palakpakan natin, J. Gwen, everyone! That's how you do it, you know, you take it like a champ. It is a reality TV show, but you know, way better than other things. Palakpakan natin, J. Gwen, everyone! Alright, let us move on to our next performer. Talaga nga naman, finally, this queen was able to break out of the 2-episode save streak. And finally, nasa top na siya at ugang-uga nga naman ang mga judges. Please, welcome John Fideliaga.
The door.
bumabalik yung boses, no? Ganon! Did we guys love that? Palapakan natin, T. Alam mo na, alam pang hold up ka. Go! Hold upin mo sila. Palapakan natin, John Fideliaga. Grabe naman. Diyos ko. Grabe. Ang precise ng lip syncing. Bawat ire ni Lady Gaga, kapisado na. Grabe. Ganon. Ito ang kanyang QR. Diyos ko. Pasabog! Grabe. Sino mga nauga doon? Sino mga natuwa doon? Ito, so ating nagaling sa boss niya. Tanungin natin ulit siya. Kamusta ang spiritual experience of receiving the artistry of John Fideliaga of Drag Race Philippines Season 3? Wow, sana all nagagamot. Yes, okay. So si Mama John, yun nga ang tawag nilang lahat, kahit si Tita Baby, Mama John ang tawag kay John Fideliaga. We'll be back next week dito sa aming episode 4 viewing party, the hosting challenge. Ayan, ang daming pera. Palapakan ulit natin, John Fideliaga. Ito na ang kanyang QR. Ma, ito ba dear? Ayan, ang dami ba? Ganun lang, Diyos ko. Pasabog. Okay, palapakan ulit natin! John Fideliaga, everyone! Okay, meron pa dito, meron pa. Okay, pwede ka pa ma-hold up sa taas. So, okay. So, we have reached the final performer of the night. Handa na ba tayo? Ilabas natin ang lahat na natitira natin lakas. Ang mga natitira natin kabaklaan. Pigain natin ng piga. Closing off the night, please welcome Yuni Kota!
It's on my head, but I want non-fiction.
makakuha ka na ng tips. Kailangan meron ka pang makuha. Ito po ang kanyang QR. Ayan, kung merong hot to go, merong money to go. Yes. Kaya ngayon ang cold cash. Maraming salamat po to everyone who came to our show. Again, our tickets for our episode 4 viewing party next week are available na. Again, we have 7 queens on the lineup. Nag-enjoy ba kayo tonight? And I hope bumalik kayo next week. Maraming salamat to our sponsors, Absolute Vodka, Cream Silk, and malakpakan naman ng Apoteka for giving us a home sa aming viewing party. That is it. Good night, ingat pa uwi, and hope to see you